finally gathered my yogurt containers to use as new pots for my plants. And it isn't that much deeper, but it is a little bit, and I think that is all I need right now because the roots are totally overgrown. I made drainage holes on the new yogurt containers by using a drill, but you can do it whatever way you feel most comfortable with. I do suggest if you are burning holes into the plastic, please make sure you are somewhere well ventilated because those fumes are no joke. Look at the roots! I am loosening it up because I don't want it to form a root ball. So I'm just giving the roots some space to breathe and some space for it to grow into the new container. This was the smallest of the 3 gladiolas, and for a while I was a bit sad because it was like the runt of the family, but actually it's doing the mostest. It's growing 2 other sprouts along with the small one. So I'm so proud of it, and I'm so sorry that I doubted it. Honestly, this small one reminds me a lot about life, how we compare ourselves to others who seem like they're doing so much more, but in reality, we're putting our energy into different things, and that's why to us, it may not seem like we're doing a lot, but if we really get into the surface of it, we are, and I thought it was such a fitting reminder for me and how I've been feeling with my business. And I hope that if you're in a similar feeling where you are comparing yourself to someone's highlight reel or just how their life is, I hope you can just be reminded that your growth is going to look different from other people's. I also have 2 other gladiola corms that are sprouting, so I'm going to plant these as well. And I also bought these seed packets. They were only 20 cents. This one is Wildflowers and this one is Cosmos. The Wildflower one has a bunch of different flowers. Some of them I know, some of them I don't know. So I think it's going to be really interesting to see what can grow out of this. And I'm just really excited for the Cosmos because they press beautifully, and to think that I could have my own supply of these flowers to press is just so cool. I also reused some yogurt containers to plant the Cosmos and Wildflowers as well. I just want to use what I have at home without buying anything extra and giving things a second life. So far, not much has happened. But my repotted gladiolas look very happy in their new, taller pots. I'm so proud of my garden so far, and even though I don't have any flowers, just seeing the sprouts just makes me so happy and proud. I know I said before that I'm a new plant parent and I don't have much gardening experience, but the fact that I was able to get it to where it is now, I didn't let my failures stop me. I really want this cut flower garden, so I'm going to keep learning and do my best to make it a reality. Can we also just take a moment to appreciate how much the dahlia has grown? I'm so excited to see the flowers that will grow from this. Look at how many leaves it has. Look how big they are. I had part 1 of my How to Press Ranunculus free and virtual workshop the other week, and it was so much fun being live on the chat. I am working on part 2, so if you would like to get in on that so that you can be there live and have the replay, it's not too late to sign up. I will link the sign up page for that in the description box. Even if you are registering for part 2, you are going to get access to the replay for part 1, and you'll get all the links and all the details for part 2 as well, so you can join live, and if you can't make it live, you'll get the replay for that as well. So I hope you will join. I hope to see you there. I hope you found some peace in watching this video. I didn't realize how much we could learn just from doing simple things like gardening or pressing flowers, which is what I'm all about, but I am learning a lot about myself through these activities, and I hope for you, even if you're just watching me do these things, I hope you're learning something about yourself as well, or that these simple activities are just a reminder for you to be kinder to yourself and just learn from nature. It's the best teacher. So until next time, take care. Happy pressing. Bye. You're doing what you're doing. But oh my gosh, look at how many leaves it's had.